Happy holidays, everyone. This is the beginning of the 2022 holiday gift guide. We started out this with stocking stuffers, fly box and assortments, hip packs, and we finished it all up with the Streamer X kit, which is everything you'll need to fly fish for trophy trout. It's a rod, reel, line, backing, everything you need to look just like Kelly. Well, we decided to start at the very top on this one. If you want to have exactly what I fish, this is the kit. This is what I fish. This is the rod I designed. This is the Streamer X. This is a 7-weight. This is the airflow line that I designed to go with this rod and reel. This is exactly what I fish. The Nautilus X. This is the reel I fish. This is a $1,035 value. But because it's the gift guide, I also have my Kelly's Pick flies. This is going to be a separate item also, but in this one, we're going to throw this $75 value of flies and box into the kit, so you'll have exactly what I fished. This is the line, rod, and reel that I personally use. Stocking stuffer ideas. You could even start this with hat stuffer ideas. These are pretty inexpensive beanies and baseball hats. Always a big hit around here. We sell tons of hats. Sims nippers. This thing, we sell so many of these things. Kind of a high dollar item for a stocking stuffer. It's 90 bucks. Drop down to the big nipper, 12 bucks for one of these. People make fun of these all the time. I love them, especially if cold weather. One of the hottest items of this year was the Oros indicator. These things, well, you couldn't even get them forever. They're really hard to come by. We had tons of them. This is a fun thing. You can put it each side. Comes in 3 sizes. Very inexpensive, about 10 bucks. So it's a great stocking stuffer. Like I said, we've got lots more of these online. A lot of other things you can look for, under $20 products that will be fun in the stocking. Fly assortments. We started with the fly rod and reel kit. Now we're just going down through a bunch of them. This one's really cool. I particularly like this box. This is Montana Fly. Came out with that this year. It's the My First Fly box. This is a really cool idea for kids in particular. It's not junk flies. You know, a lot of times you see these assortments and they're just junk. This is what almost all of us would start with fishing, right? So it's a usable, but it's a really cool graphics. You know, all these boxes are $70 to $100. You save about 10% because we're packing them in for Christmas. This is the Envy box. This is the Kill Whitey box. This is my picks here for just my picks. We have several other ones online. You've got the Euro Nymph box, Johnny's Meat Locker, some other ones. But these are all, like I said, somewhere around 70 to 100 bucks. Each one's a little different, but you save about 10%. I really like these. These are I'm really into storage when I'm fishing and stuff, and so we've got an assortment different. You know, basically start here at about $120. This is the Fish Pond Summit Sling Bag. This has got a little tacky pack, little patch in here for your flies. Really minimalist. This is for a half day or maybe a real light pack full day. You know, and it's a sling pack as opposed to the rest of these 2 or 3 are gonna be hip packs, which go this way. This is the Freestone bag. By the way, this one's on sale. This is it's being changed for next year, so we've got these on sale at they're usually 140, it's 105, I think, right now. This, again, a really minimalist bag. It's got the foam patch in here, which you can take out. These things this is a minimalist thing. This is not for carrying a lot of stuff with you, and hence not a lot of bells and whistles, so it's not very expensive. Then you step up to the $150 mark. This is the Water Dance. This is my particular favorite one. This one, I just think Fish Pond in particular does a phenomenal job building things that are really thought out storage units. And this one, it's only at $30 more than the sling. The $150 on this one. Double water bottle. You've got all kinds of storage in here. You get a detachable tacky fly patch in the front. There's a lot of stuff going on with this bag, and it's a really good value if you ask me. I think it's the best value in the whole pack world out there. And then you've got Fish Pond's Thunderhead. This is a fully submersible bag, waterproof zippers, waterproof, again, semi-minimalist on this one. This is for not so much for somebody that is just out on a normal day walk in the Rocky Mountains or someplace where it's dry. This is a fully submersible. This is Pacific Northwest type stuff where it's gonna rain on you all day and you're sick of your stuff getting soaked. That's what this is for. You could use that thing as a life preserver, I think, if you blew it full of air. It's totally waterproof. And the last one, which I really, really dig, because I'm kind of a vest guy, right? And so this one's the Ridgeline. I don't know how much it is. It's 200 and something, I think. This is what I would wear if I was gonna, I'm pretty much a straight vest person, but this one is really well thought out. It's a backpack on the back, which has all kinds, attachmentville. You can put all kinds of stuff in this thing. It's got all kinds of compartments, which I really dig. Personally, I got my raincoats and food. I've got water bottles. I got all this stuff with me. But more importantly, for once, because there've been a lot of people who've made these things. A lot of people have made these, and they're hardly ever well thought out. This one's a well thought out fishing vest on the front, which by the way is totally detachable. You can use as a pack or just as the vest. It's a really cool product. This is one of my personal favorites because, again, I'm a pack guy. Pretty good value. What's this one, Johnny? $230. That, to me, a lot of the vests are that much. That's just a super, you'll see a lot of people nowadays like to wear backpacks. And with that one, you've got the attachments for your nets. You've got all the things you need. You got a backpack and you get the vest. My personal favorite on that one, on the packs, it's this one here. Well, thanks for watching the holiday gift guide. We have all of this and lots more on our website. If you don't want to look on there, you want to call, feel free to call the shop anytime you want. You want a guaranteed slam dunk, get a gift card. Happy holidays.